Hi everyone, welcome to this new episode of Cut TV. My name is Anne-Marie and this is brought to you from Craftsuprint at www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Mary MacBean. The cup number for the kit is cup 1019825_1648. The kit is called Romantic Moments Double Hearts Easel Card Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit. There's 5 different sentiments, or there's a blank one that you can write your own sentiment on. And I'd like to show you how to put the kit together. But first we're going to just look at the sheets that you get, and then we're going to make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet that you get in Mary's kit is the actual base to make the easel. So you simply cut it out and there are directions on the edges of where you need to fold it. Next, we've got the back of the easel card and the sentiments. We've got the front of the easel that we're going to attach and some gorgeous decoupage. And then we've got extra decoupage and a couple of extra sentiments. So the first thing that I've done is cut out the base of the actual easel card. And then I've cut out the underneath for the easel card. So I've got double-sided tape on the section for the underneath, and I'm going to attach it just simply using flat tape. And the edges will marry up and give it a little bit more support to stand on. So I'm just simply going to marry up the underneath to the actual easel part. There we go. I've already scored them following the instructions. So that will be the back of our card. So the large section that we've cut out, I've already scored, and you turn the front flap over and add adhesive, and where we've already scored for the actual easel part, that will fold over to make that shape. So we've got the inside panel. So you can see I've already added tape to the flap, and this is the large section that we're going to put on it that will turn the front section into the panel that we can decoupage. So I've already got tape on the actual panel that we add the easel section to. This is just flat tape at the moment, available from Craftsuprint. And so I take this large section that I've cut out and I can just marry the edges together like that. There we go. And just press it down, and now we have the front of our easel card. I know it's very difficult to see when you're looking down on the camera, but that gives us the actual front section. So next we can build up the decoupage on the front section. So the first thing that I've done is I've cut out from the collection the large heart. I've got it on 3D foam, and I'm simply just going to place it over the previous layer. Next, I've decoupaged some of the actual roses that's in the kit. Again, just on 3D foam. And another one. There's lots of decoupage to be able to build up the layers. I've cut out the second layer of the heart, and again on 3D foam I can just add that over the previous layer, and then I can add one of my sentiments, and I'm thinking I'm going to add one of them to the inside, to the little panel at the back, and I can attach that using flat tape. There we go. Now, because we've got the front of the easel, we want to make a stopper for it so that it will stand up. So what I've done is I've cut out some of the decoupage roses. I've got them on 3D foam and I'm just going to add them to the bottom panel, and then I've also taken another of the sentiments, again on 3D foam, and I'm just going to add that over the top of the roses like that, and that will act as a stopper for the card there, like that. And that is our card finished. It's such a beautiful easel card, and I just think that is perfect for your sweetheart. Now I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's Mary MacBean's. You can check out any of Mary's designs at Craftsuprint, and the cup number is cup 10192. Sorry, it's cup 1019825 underscore 1648. I'm going to repeat that. It's cup 1019825 underscore 1648. And I would just like to say happy Valentine's Day, and thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you next time.